Okay. Okay. So here they're coming, and I'll see if you're in this list. Does it say you're coming in?
We can hear you too.
Oh, sorry.
Bonjour, Kinuya, Minoshkibabon. We're just sorting out a little bit of a technical issue for a moment, so hopefully Marcy's got it all under control. In the meantime, we'd like to say greetings and Happy New Year. Bagesh Manoyayak. I hope everyone is well. Miigwech Wendam Giizisoo Mizinigan Anishinaabemowin. Thanks for coming, to our Anishinaabe Nation Giizisoo Mizinigan session today. Miigwech Wendam Martino Zalmek, Bikinomage Yang Nongum. And thank you to Martino Zalmek for joining us today to teach. Ali Darnay and Dishnagas, Itiganzibi and Bonjaba, Anishinaabe Nigan Zikadang, Anishinaabe Nation Dojnaki. If you've been to past webinars, then you know that I'm Ali, the Anishinaabe manager here at the Anishinaabe Nation. Itiganzibi and Donjaba, so I come from Garden River First Nation. And the Anishinaabe department was launched in January of 2023 to support language preservation, reclamation, and revitalization. It's the work that Lori and I do here at the Nation. We support the Anishinaabe Inion Barb Nolan, and the Enkeep Majigwe Obsi Tong Anishinaabe Committee. Nahau Kintam Lori. As I mentioned, Lori Maba Kwe, Anishinaabe in Enkeep Tong. Naha Kintam.
Nahau. Rowena Bojo Kinawea, Lori McLeod, Shabagisha Kondishnakas, Chiging Donjaba Minwa, Nipissing and Dibendagos, Anishinaabe Nation, Donjanaki, Nimin Wendam, Wabnagok Minwa. Welcome back to everyone. And we are just having a little bit of a challenge here at logging in our facilitator. So if you can just just hang on a moment, I have to resend some information. Are you able to do that, Ali? Okay, perfect.
Miigwech.
Miigwech, Julie.
Miigwech. Perhaps while we're sorting that out, we'll, carry on with Ngurwe Wangizit. I'm sure Marcy and Martina will sort this out, and in the meantime, we can carry on. As Lori said, welcome back, everybody. Happy that you're here, and I'm going to change the slide for you, Lori, and we'll carry on.
Fantastic. Miigwech. Nahau. So at the beginning of all of our presentations at Anishinaabe Nation, whether it be a meeting or a conference or all of our events, we begin with the reciting of Ngurwe Wanguzit Anishinaabe, and it reminds us who we are as Anishinaabe people and how we're connected. The Benjaged Gisan Anishinaabe and a king, Gibet the Gun God name and Ado Wadizuin. Creator placed Anishinaabe on the earth along with the gift of spirituality. Skure, nebe, ake, noden, gibbe de gostanan we nagdoen man pishgagmagang. Here on Mother Earth there were gifts given to the Anishinaabe to look after: fire, water, earth, and wind. The Benjige Gimina on Gitchatwa Wendago Anishinaabe and Wanagdonjin in the Nijwaswe Kinomarwanan. The Creator gave Anishinaabe 7 gifts to guide them. They are Zagidwin, Deboywin, Monadendamoin, Nabwakawin, Dabadendiswin, Gwakwadzuin, Minwa Akadeowin. Love, truth, respect, wisdom, humility, honesty, and bravery. Debenjiged kimin gonaded benwe wenagdawenduin. Creator gave us sovereignty to govern ourselves. Kamana dendana gabe juebak. Minwa nungo megwa ejuebak. Minwa giabe wan ejuebak. We respect and honor the past, present, and future. Miigwech, and we in particular give thanks to the elders from Manitoulin Island who made this preamble possible for us, and it was incorporated into the Anishinaabe Nation Constitution. Miigwech. Okay, and just before we pass things over to our speaker, I just wanted to let you know that our next calendar is just about ready for distribution. This year we decided to go with a new printer, so we're a little bit behind the ball. We had hoped to have it already in the communities by now, but it's on its way and it will begin appearing in the communities in late January. For those of you from Anishinaabe Nation communities, we'll be shipping bulk quantities directly to the community. So please do check out your local First Nation band office. And if our officer of membership would like to send in their mailing addresses to me at that email below, I will send a copy to you. Now, Chimiwach, and the image on below with the moose that has been moving around on us, that's what the new calendar looks like. Chimiwach.
Well, the suspense is still there. I'm not really sure if Martina is in the room. Oh, I see a chat here. Oh, Anita. No skipabon. So I guess we can move forward with learning a little bit more about our speaker today. So Nikichinendum to introduce you to our facilitator, Martina Zelmick. Miigwech for sharing phrases to use at ceremonies in Minido Giizis, which is Spirit Moon. A little bit more about Martina is shared here. Onikwe, Rose Woman, is an Ojibwe Adawa member from Kumakong unceded territory. She's a survivor of the Spanish residential school. Martina is a proud Nokomis of 12 grandchildren and a great-grandmother to 3. One of her priorities has always been sharing her passion for preserving, maintaining, and revitalizing the Anishinaabemowin language. Indigenous knowledge and ceremonies are a core component of her cultural teachings. Makwa and Mayingan, the bear and wolf, are her helpers. Her part-time work includes the elder Nokmis at Cambrian College in the Wamano Student Services and also at the Nsalkumuk Friendship Center. Chimigwech from Martina for joining us today. And I'm going to peek at the chat there because I didn't get a chance to see what the chat was saying because we might still be waiting to sort out our host. Oh, it looks like Marcy and Martina are likely still working on getting her into the Zoom and designating her as a host. So we're going to pause Kibon Tada Bungi for a little and hope that Marcy can give us an update. And we appreciate your patience while we're figuring this one out.
Nahau. And for those of you who are waiting, if you would like to check out the new 2025 Anishinaabe Nation Giizisoo Mizinigan, we have placed a copy of the flip book in the chat, and this will be available online so that people can download it free of charge. So there's something there that you can look at to see what's coming. We also make it a practice to host a monthly session where we invite each of our contributors to conduct a presentation of their words for the month. So our speaker this month is Martina, And next month it will be Isidore Toulouse. And you can find registration for our sessions on the Anishinaabe Nation Facebook page. So we launch it there, and you're welcome to join us. And we are also going to be hosting weekly Anishinaabemowin sessions with Isidore Toulouse as well. And those will be available for you to join in free of charge on Tuesdays as well. So we'll be promoting those on our social media platforms as well. So we're looking at Tuesdays at 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. So everyone is welcome to join us. Isidore is a fabulous teacher, and if you've had a chance to join in his classes, you know he's a lot of fun. So we're really looking forward to that. If you are from Anishinaabe Nation territory and would like to be a contributor to the calendar, we are going to be sending out a call in the new fiscal year. What we try to do is we try to get different dialects from across the Anishinaabe territory. So we have a representation from our 4 different regions. As you may know, we have 39 member communities. And so we try to get a reflection of the different dialects from throughout our communities. So, please do keep that in mind. Usually what we do is we ask contributors for 50 sentences on usually a topic of your choice. And we include about 31 of them in the calendar, and we save some for the presentations that come along monthly. And we also provide compensation for those contributions, and we also invite you as a facilitator and provide compensation, an honorarium for that sharing as well. So something to think about. And we're also always looking for artists from our Anishinaabe Nation communities as well. So there's a few ideas there. And if there's something else that you would like to see included in the calendar, please do let us know. Now,
Lori. I see a comment pop up here from Sydney Ketchko. I hope I said that okay. 2 people, of course, can submit together. Often, we have fluent speakers working with second language learners as well. And, happy to have submissions, as Lori mentioned, come in from across our communities in the nation. And I'm keen to start now because it is a challenge for us to identify those people, to confirm and verify that they're willing to do it, and then to meet the deadlines. There's quite a bit of work that goes into it, and that includes the additional time for us to work with a graphic designer, to lay out everything into the calendar and organize it all, and then editing, and without a doubt, there will always be things that slip through in our very intense editing sessions. So if you are interested and you're in the Zoom with us now, please send your contact information to Lori and we'll follow up right away and just get things moving. Ideally we would be able to have the calendars in our communities now. But we did experience some delays throughout the process, and the earlier we start, I think, the better. I see a couple more comments popping up in here. Greetings. From our friends and colleagues. I see an email account there. I mean, an email address. So Lori will grab that one and we'll send a quick email out to get that conversation started. Still no confirmation either, unfortunately, from Marcy as to how our progress is going. But
yes, Martina's computer just decided to update, so she has to wait for it to finish before she can join us. So it'll just be a second more.
I've had those days. I think we've all had those days where our computers decide it's good to run our updates. And take its time to move through those processes. But always happy to share with the I guess the communities and our members the activities that are happening and exciting things that are up and coming. As Lori mentioned, we're going to have weekly classes open up with Isidore Toulouse. These classes have been ongoing previously for staff. And we've decided that it's a great opportunity for everybody. And so you'll be able to find that information to join those classes Tuesday afternoons. We're also getting ready for some upcoming events here at the Anishinaabe Nation with the governance department, which the Anishinaabemowin department is part of. So there'll be a summit happening at the end of February. We had a meeting this just before the holidays with the Keep Majikwi Obsi Tong Anishinaabe Committee. These are representatives from across the 4 regions of the Anishinaabe Nation, and also some of the founding members who guide the Anishinaabe activities here at the Anishinaabe Nation and within the Anishinaabe Department. So we have some follow-up activities or tasks for Lori and I to take care of. A lot of exciting ideas and initiatives. We're hoping to launch an Anishinaabe Nibi Shabo Dabagne, maybe something like that. So let's talk Anishinaabe tea time in February. It'll be on, I think, the first Tuesday and evening session with fluent speakers, and there'll be a call for people to join if they're interested in listening to speakers and engaging and speaking with speakers and just getting together and sharing the language over the Zoom. And so keep an eye on our socials for all of those kinds of announcements and activities. I think for myself, I'm gonna, probably age myself by saying I see a lot of things on Facebook. Not really. I'm seeing things on other social media platforms. So I'm sure it's probably our information is available in other places as well. But I know for me, I see a lot of things through Facebook, and I know that we post a lot through there. So I encourage you to follow along with what's happening at the Anishinaabe Nation. I know there's other exciting events happening. So Anishinaabemowin Tag is having their conference at the end of March. So we're also going to be getting ready for that event, doing our travel arrangements and putting together some items for a booth. I hope that'll be one of the activities that we're doing as well. I know right before Anishinaabemowin Tag's conference, which is happening at the end of March, there will be another meeting of our Keep Majikwi committee. So we'll be following up with them on our progress over the last quarter of this fiscal year. If anybody else has some exciting things to share about Anishinaabe, feel free to put them in the chat there. I think Isidore's classes have also probably resumed through the Grand Traverse community. Some of us are able to join in on his classes. There's also, if you're interested in different funding opportunities, I've seen oh, sorry about that. I'm just racing ahead in these slides here. I've seen a call posted for the Future Generations Foundation. And through the Department of Canadian Heritage, their main website has some information about the Indigenous language component. I am still working to verify if that's an opportunity that applies to Ontario. But there are definitely a couple of funding opportunities for First Nations communities directly. I also believe that there's throughout the year funding opportunities available through the Ontario Trillium Foundation. I haven't looked at their website recently to see if there's something posted now that it's the new year, but that is another funding source for language. Thanks for that one. Kimberly shared in the chat there to add yourself to the Ontario Indigenous Gatherings and Conferences page on Facebook to keep up to date on events happening in Ontario or online. Oh, Lori shared. I'm looking to see if we can just give them the link in the chat here for that class on Tuesday, Lori. Maybe before the end of the webinar, we'll be able to grab that link for Tuesday's class and put it there in the chat for anybody who wants to just put it in their calendars while this is happening. By this, I meant the whole webinar. By the end of the webinar, we'll get that link into the chat for those of you who might be interested in joining that class. Again, we apologize, for the delay. Sometimes the tech minute will have other ideas in mind for us, so we'll see.
I'd just like to take a moment to share about what's in this year's calendar. As mentioned, it's a annual publication of the Anishinaabe Nation Anishinaabemowin program. And we try to include and promote as much language as possible. And so we have a lot of links, and we've included a lot of QR codes. For those of you who may not be familiar with QR codes, it's a little image that you hold your phone over, and it'll take you to a link on the web to all of these different resources that are found throughout Anishinaabe territory, across Canada and the US, anything related to language. And so if you have a language class somewhere, or a YouTube channel, or if you do classes that you would like to have promoted through the calendar, please do let us know. We also have, oh, thank you, Ali. So there's a picture of the calendar online, and a greeting from our Anishinaabemowin language commissioner, Barbara Nolan. At the top of the calendar, on the very top left, what we have is a place for language acknowledgements. So if you scan on that QR code and you
Can you hear me?
type in the area that you're from, then you can find out about the information about the land that you're seeking to acknowledge. Now, Julie has her hand up. Julie, did you want to share something?
No, that's Martina.
Oh,
Um,
how long has Julie Mellon been Martina?
I
Only
don't
for
know.
a
I
few
just
minutes.
got in.
Yeah, and we don't know
I don't
why
know
she's
how.
listed as Julie Martina, but you know what? She's here. Can you?
Amazing.
I
Can I
don't
just
know.
go?
Ooh.
I'm going to go get a glass of water.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Okay.
We can hear you
Yes.
We
great.
can.
Okay, I'm going to, because I've been trying to get on for the last, oh my gosh, over 45 minutes.
You made it. Okay, well, we'll keep this up here so you can see what Lori was talking about in terms of the land acknowledgement QR code there in the top left corner. Every year we also put this little section in to help with, like introductions and simple sort of questions that you may first, I guess, learn or encounter when greeting somebody new. And then our message from the Anishinaabemowin Commissioner, Amy Gonwidowed, Barbara Nolan. a greeting from our department, information about the artists. So this year we were able to secure the artwork from Chief Ladybird, also known as Nancy King from, let's see, I'm going to zoom in on here. Her bio is here. There's 2 communities that she is listed with. So she's Potawatomi artist from the Chippewas of Rama and Moose Deer Point First Nations. She graduated from Ontario College of Art and Design, and she gave us permission to use these 2 images you see on the right. So you'll see them here in the webinar in our backgrounds, on the slide decks. You'll see them on the front cover and the back cover of the Giizisoo Mizinigan. And it also includes Ngorwe Wangzid, Anishinaabe, which we had recited by Lori this afternoon, and Chimagwech for that, Lori. And QR codes, lots of QR codes. This is just a small sampling of them. If Martina's back and ready to go, then I'm happy to close this window and get on to the Anishinaabemowin Kiroinan that we're all here to learn more about today.
Martina, if you're able to hear me, you can unmute yourself again when you're ready. And if you can turn on your video, that would be great. If not, that's okay. At least we can hear you.
Ani,
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 Ani, I'm finally back and getting in here. Wow, that was a real Chinooki win. I'm sweating.
we're happy you made it. And while you were working so hard on getting into the room, we've provided some information about the calendar and the phrases. We've introduced who you are. We've thanked you. So, we appreciate you joining us today, especially for all the hard work to get in here. And for contributing these phrases to the Anishinaabeg Nation Giizisoo Mizinigan. They were part of the 24-25 calendar because each year we include January of the next year. And so here we are in January of 2025 reviewing these words that are from you. So Giizisoo much.
Aha. Mina go jamach ta. Aha. Now. Chimigwech gabagid ni shake we bet nan gidonia sanangwa. Ugani kwendego mcdodem. Aha, mi go jamach ta. Basic is bigodik. Apish temagak nido kewin. Apish temagak nido kewin. Wem tigoake winja temagat nido kewin. Wem tigoake winja temagat nido kewin.
Ani, Martina,
Yeah,
feel free to speak about the words and how they break down, if you don't mind.
okay. I'm trying to, well, I was trying to move this up a little bit, but it's staying put, hey? How? Apish is the word where. Apish. Some may say abish. Some may say apish. I tend to say apish. Temagak. Temagak is where is this going to take place? Temagak. Abish Temagak. Temagak is that location of where this ceremony is going to be taking place. And Nidal Kewin is just a ceremony in itself. Okay? And Web Tagoake, Winja Temagat Mizinigan basically tells you it is in the bush, like in the forest or in the wooded area. Some may say Tigwaki. And again, with the Snabik, there's various dialects of, even in Wikwemikong, there's various dialects from Rabbit Island to South Bay to Wikwemkosing. Okay, so some say Wemtawake, Winchatemgak. We tells you it's in the future tense. Okay. Gawin, kamama, or should I keep moving? Okay. Gawin, gawigo, kamamana, shkakmekwe, namakwenmana, we migwechweong. Gawigo, kamakwenmana, shkakmekwe, makwenmaong, we migwechweong. Okay, so I think that could have been Gawi, Gewi gmakwenmana, Gewi go gmakwenmana, shkakmekwe, Gewi go gmamana, shkakmekwe, that's our mother. Gmamana is our mother. Gewi go as we also think of Gmamana, and Gmamana is that shkakmekwe, and that's Mother Earth. Makwenmana, we miigwechwang, that we give thanks to our Mother Earth. And again, that we tells you it's in the it's in the future tense.
Ani Martina, we have a question in the chat from Andrew. Are you, would you like to take questions during the presentation or wait till the end?
All right. What does he say?
Ani, Andrew, would you like to unmute yourself?
Put up your hand so I can unmute you. Sorry. There we go.
Bonjour. Ani?
Ani?
So is minute okay like that verb? Like ye minute okay, like I ceremonied, or ki minute okay, like you ceremonied, or
Yeah, that would be the verb. Nidoke. You're actually doing that ceremony. Nidoke win is the actual ceremony.
yeah. No, you got
Kabinagoya? Okay. We can go into the next. Oh, yeah, it's already on. Esna bishak enjem nido king. Esna bishak enjem nido king. This is actually, really inviting that person. Esna bishak. Like inviting these people. Esna bishak. Come over. Enje is that place where that ceremony is taking place. Enjem nido king. Okay. Oshkabe osak, jitawok, we nadmage wat. Oshkabe osak, jitawok, we nadmage wat. And the helpers, they're already, to start. They're already, to help out what has to be done. And then the next one is Geget Gewi Niwen Wendanmak Makwenmak. And Geget would be for sure you're thinking about those four directions. You're petitioning, your intentions are being there. Geget Gewi Niwen Wendanmak Makwenmak. You're thinking about those intentions, those four directions in each of those directions. Gotta have a sip of water. Pquenezgan, and that's the sage. Kina, pquenezgan is the verb. Pquenezgan. Pquenezgan is the actual sage. Pquenezgan is making that command. Pquenezgan kinagataing. Smudge around whatever space that you're doing this. You're asking a person. Pquenezgan kinagataing. Smudge all the way around the space that you're having this ceremony. Next one. We nabagazok. We bindigewat bemadsijek. We nabagazok. We bindigewat bemadsijek. Now this is what's happening, that the people are being told, we be being out, come on in now, we be being out, they're being told to come in now. Oh, one more on the bottom here. Bibi in the gate, Niking, Wabanong, Squandeming. So basically I'm envisioning a big space, and the circle being in the middle, and there might be these doorways in those four directions. So but you're summoning, you're asking the people, we be being out in that eastern direction. Bibi in the gate, Niking, Wabanong, Squandeming. Panewa nigani sema. Panewa nigani sema. And pane, it's that means always, it's always been understood that tobacco comes first in anything in the Anishinaabe. If you're talking to an elder or doing anything, like tobacco always comes first. Sema mino agish conduct begedin squadeng. So you might have a little fire there. Sema mino agish conduct begedin squadeng. Put the tobacco and the cedar into the fire. And that's when we go into a lodge, like we often see those four medicines sitting there. And sometimes when people come into the lodge, they want to be acknowledging that fire. So they will grab, the tobacco and the cedar, so they'll ask, give thanks to the shkode that's there. So by placing that sema and gish conduct, to lift those prayers up. Kena gake quenes quenesanem. I'm getting all tongue tied here. Kena gake quenes game men jibois much tying. Gake quenes game. Kena gake quenes game jibois much tying. And that's always the, like when we start a ceremony, we all We all, kina means all. And kwenesgeme, we will all smudge. Ga ke kwenesgeme. You're actually doing, going to be doing the smudging before you start the ceremony. Gishpen shishiguan yaman nakazan. Gishpen is if. Jishiguan is that shaker. If you have yaman, nakazan, use it. Any question? No. Tam goke miigwechwendam. Tam is the first. I'll do that first. Nga ke miigwechwendam. I will give thanks first. Miigwechwendam is that thanks. Okay. Nui moshkanana. Nui moshkanana. Do pwagan. Nui is still in that future tense. You're actually doing that. You're filling up your pipe. Moshkanana. Do indicates like yours. Do pwagan. And then the next one is pwagan nuisga swana tam. I will smoke the pipe first. Pwagan is the item that's being spoke about, and that's the pipe. Nuisga swana, and that's the actual smoking of that. Zgaswa, zgaswana tam. And that's what I'll do first. I will smoke the pipe first. Minoa niwing ishpiming namigwechwen mak. Minoa niwing ishpiming namigwechwen mak. And to the four, there we have these levels. Here I'm demonstrating, but I'm not even on the, I should have turned on my picture here. Oh, there you are. Okay. So here, like we have these four levels. So we always acknowledge those above, and you give gratitude. Miigwechwen mak. Kinogo miigwechwen dam. Kinogo shpiming. Oshkabewis danagama sema nagamwin. Oshkabewis danagama sema nagamwin. So whomever your helper may be, the oshkabewis, could be male or female. Da is a little tense that goes in front of like it hasn't happened yet. Da nagama. Nagama is to sing. The sema nagamwin. So we have these tobacco songs that we sing, as the pipe is being lit and the prayers being done. So we have that sema nagamwin. Epiches gaswanak pwagan danagama. And the person that is doing that is the Oshkabewis. Epiche is that while I am smoking the pipe. Zgaswanak, zgaswa is the verb. Zgaswanak, you're talking about that item, the pipe. Danagama, that person will sing. Geget god miigwechwe menado. Kinagego. Geget god miigwechwe menado. Kinagego. So for sure you give that gratitude miigweche. You're thanking the Creator for everything that we're able to have, And it includes so much stuff that we may be thinking about at the time. No questions? Okay.
Yes, we do have a question in the chat, Martina,
Okay.
from Paula. And Paula is wondering if Shkabewis could also refer to our spirit helpers.
In terms of if you're in a ceremony, they would be known as an Atmaogian, those spirits that help you. But Oshkabewis is the one that's doing the work, like in terms of ceremony. I often say, like for myself, I have helpers, and I will say, makwa minoa maingan dinad magok. Those are my spirit helpers. Dinad magok. They're the ones that help me. I don't know if that answers your question. Oshkabe is like a helper, person that is helping out in the ceremony. Gashmananik an sokanak. Gashmananik an sokanak. Sham is another way of feasting. Gashama, I will. Gashama, but when you pluralize that, Gashamananik, Nanik, because there's more than one Ansokan, all those ancestors that have come at that fire. Gashamananik Ansokanak. We will feast our ancestors. Ansokanan, Ansokanak. Okay? Gamiwechwendam dash mijem. Gamiwechwendam dash mijem. Nga again is that little tense that goes in front when you're actually going to be doing it. Kashamananik. Doksha. Gamiwechwehananik. Gamiwechwendame. Gamiwechwendan. Dan. Gamiwechwendan. Okay, Gamiwechwendan. Dash mijem. I will give thanks, Mandani, for this food. So a person is there, maybe having that little feast plate, and they're Gamiwechwendan. Dash mandamijem. Before I place it into the fire, I'm going to give thanks, gratitude for this food, mijem. Kena bemadsijek miigwech wen mana. Kena Eyanjin, for all who are there. Kena bemadsijek miigwechwen mana. Kena Eyanjin, the ones that are there, Eyanjin. Yeah, everybody is, giving that miigwechwenemo, that feeling that gratitude. Kweok the Pabi Gweok Nebe Mino Odeomenan. Kweok are the woman. Kwe is singular. Ok is pluralized. The is that, again, that indicator, it's that's going to be happening. The pa migweok. Migwe is that giving of that water and giving of those berries. So basically, the woman will give out the water and the berries. On Sokanak, we we kona we kagewin on Sokanak we kagewin nagan jitas jigade on Sokanak we knagewin nagan jitas jigade, because that week, yeah, the way I say it is week, yeah, is that invitation to come and feast on that plate. These ancestors are going to be asked, like they're given that food. Wikigeok, like you're inviting the spirits to come, those ancestors to come and eat off that the food that is being put into the fire. But this one is the noggin is being prepared. I just added a little bit more there. Begish na chimna kagin. Quinanang is that our bodies, Quinanang mino gdo ode winang. Begish na chimna kagin. Quinanang mino gdo ode minang. Begish is that begish na, like hopefully that food will nourish your body and your heart. That's basically what that means. Begish na chimnakawyin. Having that goodness of that food to nourish your body and your spirit. Okay. Oshkabewis nagduendan euskodekan. Oshkabewis nagduendan euskodekan. Shkodekan is that fire that's there. And Oshkabewis, we know that the Oshkabewis, the helper. Nagduendan is nagdu wendan is taking care of something, and it happens to be the fire space that's there for the ceremony. Gigdo biapkos tabim skobde kenan jegata gagigdi yek. Okay, gigdom tegos tabim skobde kena jigagigdo yek. Okay, gigdom tegos is that what do you call the talking stick? And it usually goes around, in that circle, so everyone can be able to speak what is on their mind. Ga ga gigadi gigada is the verb, like to speak. Manda gigadum tegos kaminen jiga je gigadian. Now you're actually passing. Manda is that object. Manda, your manda, this thing. Gigdo tegos. That's the talking stick that is being asked for that person to speak. And meaning is I'm giving it to you, like to to speak. I gotta take a lozenge here. Any question? No. Trying to get a lozenge in my mouth. Nagdoda je kedeming ni joaswe chikedoma geonan. Nagdoda je kedeming ni joaswe chikedoma geonan. Nagdoda je kedeming ni joaswe chikedoma geonan. Let's follow Nagdoda. Let us follow. Okay? Jikkenming, so that we can learn those 7 Chikkenomalyodan, those 7 sacred teachings. Come, Nadin, come, Nadin, Nana. Be memajiging mina westiak. Come Nadin, Dana. Be mezakigen mina westiak. Come Nadin, Dana. Be mezakigen mina westiak. That we give, that respect, everything that grows, and all the animals. You think about the 4-legged and the swimmers and the crawlers and all, even the bird life. So you think about all those things as you show that respect for all animals. And Abedek menaden moen jiaming bam saying a king. Abedek menaden moen jiaming bam saying a king. So Manadenamoen is that respect. Manadenamoen. Abdik is we have to. Abdik, we must. And Jiaming, that we are to have that respect. Jiaming, as we walk. Bum saying a king. And when we're on the earth, okay, is the earth by itself, the little word AKI, okay? A king, it indicates that location where you're walking around on Mother Earth. Okay. Skodenine, the firekeeper, Oshkabewis, Giizisoo Mizinigan Anishinaabemowin. Shkodedene Oshkabewis, Giizisoo Mizinigan Anishinaabemowin. Okay, Shkodedene is that the one that takes care of that fire. And Oshkabewis is the same person, the helper. He's ready. Gi tells you it's in the past. He's already. Giizisoo. We Mizinigan. And that's it kind of in the future tense. We Mizinigan. He's going about to start that fire. We skung. Skung is that the action that is happening when that person lights that fire. We skung shkodekan. That sacred space where he has the fire. Oshkabewis Giizisoo Sidonan Mishkikin Peshosh Kwandeming Sema Shkodewash Gishkandak Minoa Wingash. Oshkabewis Giizisoo Sidonan Mishkikin Peshosh Kwadeng Besha Shkwandeming Sema Shkodewash Gishkandak Minoa Wingash. Okay, so the the Shkabewis, he has already prepared all of this. Giizisoo Sidon is putting it in place. He already has that Sema, the Shkodewash, Gishkandak, and Wingash, all in that place before you go into the lodge. Oshkabewis bimbe de tot. Oshkabewis bimbe de tot. Mizinigan Sidon Skapchigan Nakazwinan Wimnedoket. Oshkabewis bimbe de tot. Mizinigan Sidonan Skapchigan Nakazwinan Wimnedoket. So the Oshkabewis, he's also a helper. The Oshkabewis, the one that's conducting the ceremony, he's also a helper. And so he's placing all his bundle that he he needs, all the things that he needs to host this ceremony. He's getting it all, it's already in place. Wimnedoket, to start the ceremony. To start the ceremony. Nga kenagam Jewik magwa an sokanak ge winoa jebe bindige wat. Nga kenagam Jewik magwa an sokanak ge noa je bindige wat. Okay, so a song is being prepared by the conductor. He said, I will sing Gaken Gum. I will sing a song first to invite Jawika Magwa, because you're sending that invitation out for the ancestors to be present in that ceremony. You're inviting them in. Usually a call-in ceremony, that's what that's called. You call in those ancestors, so it's a call-in ceremony. And you want those ancestors to come in, and a lot of times we have to invite them in, and sometimes they're, if they're shy too, so we have to invite them in to come into that space of that ceremony where it's being conducted. Giabe got the temgat niwen ngamuinan epichem nido king. Giabe got the temgat niwen ngamuinan epichem nido king. So there's still 4 songs that are there, in doing this ceremony. So there are 4 other songs that will be sung in the ceremony. Giabe tells you there's still more. And tenonis, that they are there during the ceremony, epicha, and the Nido king. Okay. Nibana temgat kendaswin shkak mekang. Nibana temgat kendaswin. Nibana is a lot. Temgat, that there are. Kendaswinan, those are all like different teachings, eh? Kendaswinan. And Shkakmekwe is Mother Earth. Shkakmekang tells you like the location, all on Mother Earth. Okay. Gamiwechwa mnedo. Il sagewi espeming. And nendaswen. Mishomis Giizis, nokmest Giizis, mino nangokak. Gamiwechwa mnedo. Il sagewi espeming. Nendaswen. Mishomis Giizis, nokmest Giizis, mino nangok. So basically it's just giving thanks, to Spirit first and to the universal relations that are there. Grandfather Sun, Grandmother Moon, the star life. Okay. Miigwech denak, denoy maganak. Beme Zak Keegan, Beme Zak Keegan, West Siak, Beme Modajak, Bishing and Dajak, Gigoik, Mina Beme Mexikejak, Beme Mexikejak. So the next thing that's done is you give gratitude, Miigwech Denak. Denak is you're actually telling all your relations. Denoy Maganak is all my relations. Denoy Maganak. Mino, you're also giving thanks. Bemezaki. 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 Wesiak. Bememodejik. The crawlers. Bishing and Dajik. The ones that live in the water, such as the fish. Mino Bemegzikejik, the ones that fly. Bemegzikejik, the ones that fly. Yeah, so Miigwech, okay, I was just going to read it again. Miigwech Denak Nedwemagnak, Bimisak Bimisak Keegan Miigwech the Magnak Bimisak Keegan West Siak Bimimodejik Bishing Endajik Gigoink Mino Bimixikejik. Excuse me. No. Come Quen Mononik Anna Sokanak Wabadong Jaunong Epgishmuk is another way of saying Wes. Epgishmuk, or you can say Ningabinong Minoa Giwetnong. Gumquen Mononik, we will remember Gumquen Mononik. We will all remember on the Sokanak, those ancestors from the east, Wabinong, Jaunong, Ningabinong, Minoa Giwetnong. Sema Gamina Wakwe Jinametang Wesa Nebe. Sema is that tobacco? Nga is that the little tense that goes in front of whatever the verb may be. Mina is to give. Wa is that person. Wa is that indicating whatever or whomever. Wakwe, kwe is the woman. Jinametang Wesa Nebe. To pray for that water. So you give the sema to the woman to pray for the water. Benan, Ilsanabe, Mashko Waba, Kick, Niwing Eshbiming. Benan, Ilsa Nebe, Mashko Waba, Kick, Niwing, Eshbiming. So the lofting of that water, goes to all those levels, for the 4 levels, eh? So it's being lifted up. And it's the copper vessel that is often used in ceremonies. Nebem Skowabek Niwin Eshbiming. Sema Gamina wa nokames Jenemetang Ilsa Odeumenan. Again, tobacco always comes first. As you give the grandmother Jenemetang so that she can pray for those strawberries. Ilsa Odeumenan, and that's plural. Pluralizing the Odeumen is singular. Nagake nagam Ilsa nebe mino Odeumen nagabwen. Gake nagam Ilsa nebe mino Odeumen nagabwen. Again, there's water songs, different water songs that we may use, when we sing for the water. And there's one song I usually just incorporate the berries when I sing a song. Okay, on the Sokanak, we kogewin, nagan shitaus sajade. On the Sokanak, we kogewin, nagan shitaus sajade. So again, on Sokanak is the the ancestors. Wikigewin is that the invitation, the feast plate, the noggin. Shitao it's being prepared for the spirits of the ancestors. Okay. Oshkabewas jita abdekwiyang mishkike debishko sema kishkandak pshkodewash minawingash. Oshkabewas jita abdekwiyang mishkike debishko sema kishkandak pshkodewash minawingash. So the Oshkabe is to help her, make sure that the medicines are there, that are, and then I wrote the Bishko is like the medicine of, like sema, like the tobacco, cedar, the sage, Kodewash Binani Wingash. Okay. Abdik we sung Kishkandak Skodeng P Sema Begetnint Joa. Abdik we sung Kishkandak Skodeng P Sema Begedin excuse me. Begetnen Joa. Abdik we sung Kishkandak Skodeng P Sema Begednen Joa. So again, we have to put that Kishkandak, that cedar that is clean in that there probably is a bowl there with Gishkandak all cleaned up, and you put that in, getting it ready to put it into that fire. Zagedwin mnadenamowin aukadewin the badendeswin quickquadzawin debwewin mino nbokawin awenon nanda kinomagionan. Zagedwin mnadenamowin aukadewin the badendeswin quickquadzawin debwewin mino nbokawin awenon nanda kinomagionan. Again, those are all those 7 principles of, we may know them as, some may know them as Chanoknagewin, some may know them as the 7 principles of life, some may refer to them as the 7 grandfathers, but they're all the ones that are there. Love, respect, bravery, humility, honesty, truth, and wisdom. Okay, number 50. Kishpeneta etta gde Anishinaabemowin noswin minoa gde odem kiduyen migua il etta. Kishpeneta gde Anishinaabemowin noswin minoa gde odem kiduyen or gikidyen migua etta. Migua il etta. Oh, I'm going to read this again. Kishpenata gde Anishinaabemowin mino gde odem kidyen migua il etta. So it's basically saying it's okay if we only use, the Anishinaabemowin, if you don't have the language, for the ones that don't have the language, but they may have their spirit name. So it's all good, you know, if they announce their spirit name, their clan, and it's all good. Wa bembedetot ushkabewas miigwechwan kina gabishajik nidoking midash nigawen nigamat wen nigiweat ansokanak. Wa bembedetot ushkabewas miigwechwan kina gabishajin nidoking midash nigawen nigamat we ne giweat ansokanak. Again, the conductor acknowledges all those ancestors that came, and Apchugumigwechweon. He thanks all the ones that have been there at that ceremony. And then he sings that Nagabwen, that song. He sings that song to send those ancestors back home. Wa oshkabeosak minad damagewak me giji tang nido king. Washkabeosak minad damagewak me giji tang nido king. So again, you know, the helpers, they help in any way they can, you know, to help the conductor, you know, put away things and that. So they're getting ready to do that, you know, after the ceremony is all over. Apchugok chirendam ilsa bembenetot nidokewin. The conductor is very happy, you know, with the help that he or she receives during that ceremony. Apchugok chirendam ilsa bembenetot nidokewin. Nidoking, sorry, Nidoking. Washkabeos, let me just read this over again. Washkabeosak. Oops, and here I'm coughing. I don't know if you're recording this, right? Here I just see that little red button there. Pardon?
Yes, we're recording this. We are.
Oh my gosh. Washkabeosak biminad magewat. Mijitang Nidoking. Megijitang Nidoking. Washkabeosak Minatamageok. Megijitang Nidoking. Apchugok Chenendam Iosa. Bembedetot Nidoking. Aha. Yeah, the one that's conducting is a very appreciates the help that he or she receives, you know, and there's help, you know, in that ceremony.
Okay, so I have a quick question. So in this sentence, that bimbidetod is the conductor?
What Oshkabeos? No, it's Oshkabeos Sak.
So you see the one that I highlighted? You see this one that I?
Oh,
it's
that one.
Yeah. What's that one mean?
Oh, okay. Bembedetot is the one that's leading, the leader of the ceremony. Bembedetot. He's the one that's leading the ceremony, the conductor.
Uh-huh. I was wondering because it's up there too, you know, like in 51, that same sentence.
51.
Yeah, like about wa bimdetod. Oshkabewis. And so
Oh yeah, wa bembedetot. Yeah, bembedetot. Wa bembedetot oshkabewis. Miigwechwan kinab gabishajik. Yeah. Yep. Uh-huh. Okay.
uh,
Is there
I
more?
have great news for you.
Wow.
You made it. You made it.
Oh my gosh. And my throat is getting so raw. Oh,
Gichimigwech,
uh-huh.
thank you so much for persevering. I know that it's been a challenge today, but you did
Oh
it.
my gosh. I
You
was
made it through.
actually sweating because
Well, that could be the stress of it all, or maybe it's also the little cold you have, your cough.
yeah,
Maybe your cough is making you hot too. Um,
it's
so I go
my
ahead.
my throat has been having that dry cough. I'm not sick, but it's a dry cough. And if I talk too long, I could get hoarse, like laryngitis or something. Yeah.
Okay, so we did have some comments popping up previously. I know I missed this one. Most of them are thank yous recently. People are thanking you, thanking everybody. But there was a slide in, a request to see slide number 46. With sentences 46 to 48 on them, so I don't want to miss that one out. So there it is for Dell.
Number
Yeah, so Dell had asked to see these ones again. So Dell, if you're still out there, here it is for you. A little while ago, I think you wanted to see them again just for a moment.
mm-hmm.
So that's for you. People are also hoping that you feel better soon.
Oh,
I, again, for us, we're very grateful that you were able to join us today. We hope that you feel better as well. To wrap up, we generally talk about the upcoming Mizinigan, the Giizisoo Mizinigan. So that'll happen sometime in February. The date has not yet been confirmed, but it will be with Isidore Toulouse.
all
Again,
right.
follow us on Facebook and social media
Uh-huh.
so that you can register and join us.
All right.
And then in terms of any questions that people may have about the Anishinaabe Nation's Anishinaabemowin Department, you can reach out to myself, Ali Darnay, or Laurie McLeod-Chabagishik. There's our email addresses. Just keeping an eye here too on the chat. Okay. Yeah, and then people are giving a shout out to see you at the language conference in Sault Ste. Marie tomorrow for those of you who are registered. Yes, each month I think we ask people to re-register. Maybe Marcy can jump in here. There's a chat in there, Marcy, asking about do we have to re-register? And it's like, I think yes, you'll get an email notifying you. Go ahead.
You may get the notification when it's the new ones developed. So some people do get it, some people don't, but just re-register just in case when you see the link.
Okay. Naha.
Wow.
Thank you for inviting me. And Bamapi, I'm going to pack my clothes and off to Sault Ste. Marie. Now,
Any
okay.
last words, Lori?
Just wanted to say Chimigwech, Martina, thank you so much. We were just a little concerned about you and how your throat was sounding. It sounds like it really must hurt. And so thank you so much for being with us and for sharing all of these fabulous sentences and phrases and teachings to help us. We really appreciate it and can't wait till the calendar is out and everyone can have a copy so they can have it and refer to it and use it and learn it. So Chimigwech.
Now, Chimigwech. Miwe.
Kamapi.
Papi.